You got point.
Entry team, this is Talk. Suspects are heavily barricaded, may have planted traps in multiple areas on site. Make entry, exercise extreme caution.
Police, get your hands up! Hands up! Drop to your knees!
Be advised, the suspects are holding civilians hostage. Talk to lead.
We've got this
The
under
suspects
control.
are taking hostages.
Talk. Civilian's good to go for evac.
Talk to element. Trailers en route.
Hey, you good? Stay sharp. We can't fuck this up.
Hands up!
I stay quiet, okay?
Put it down slowly. Going in a cuff.
I got it.
No fucking way!
Put your fucking hands up! I have to cuff you for our safety.
Entry team to Talk.
Civvy is ready.
Talk to element. Continue mission.
Move and I'll break their neck! Ain't no hero shit today. This shit is a bad deal for you. Shoot, they die!
Please let me go!
Move in. Clear the room.
You're in my spot.
I'll kill him. Let's go.
Opening's on the right.
And I'll break their neck.
I'll get it.
Good might stick out.
Checking the
Evidence
area.
secured.
Put your hands up!
No way I can make it there. LSPD, go through!
LSPD, don't move! Police, get down!
Nothing here.
Don't move! I want you to go down.
Civilians have been taken hostage.
Get down!
Talk here. Clean house and we'll take them out.
Opening on the left.
The suspects have taken hostages.
Put your hands up now! I got cops. Zip it up.
Talk here. Be advised, suspects are holding civilians hostage.
Suspect cuffed and secure.
Please no!
Keep your hands behind your back.
I got nothing here.
Hey!
Civvy is ready.
Lead, this is Talk. We're ready for them.
Element
Get down! I want to enter and clear.
Civilian ready for transport.
Talk reporting. Trailers inbound.
Badge. Maybe I give it.
Good talk.
What's your badge number? George.
Entry team, this is Talk. Trailers ready.
Fall in.
I got you.
Slap on the wrist is all I'm gonna get.
Get down and put your hands up.
You just gonna fucking ignore me?
You're not the only one with a gun, bitch.
Going
Doc,
into cuffs.
got a suspect down here.
Doc to entry team.
There you go.
Notifying Tim.
Suspect received a talk. One cup. Compliant.
Keep my
Doc
ass,
reporting.
pig.
Notifying trailers.
Come out and get down!
Come out now!
Don't run or reach for
Hands,
anything!
cocksucker.
Get down and put your hands up! Got it?
Okay. We have to
Moving into handcuff. You heard anywhere?
fuck you.
Entry team to talk.
Top. Good to go.
Doc to lead. Send him our way.
They can't lock up a whole army.
No fucking way. What's going on?
I'll back it.
You're not the only one with a gun, bitch.
The old ways is dead and gone now. Because of
Talk to my lawyer.
I have nothing to do with this. Kick my ass, pig.
Move in and clear. Get back here! Stay on me. You got point. Talk. One suspect down. Breathe. Enter the room and
This
clear.
is Doc.
Ready.
Tim's notified.
I'm going. Opening on the left.
You think I'm scared of doing time?
I got nothing here.
You ain't saving nobody, just clean it up.
Give me my goddamn phone call.
Talk. We got weapons here.
This is Doc. Forensics is standing by.
You're not the only one with a gun, bitch.
Provide support on me. You're six. Post up. On it. Door's good.
We have to go before leaving. Show me your fucking hands, cocksucker. Fuck you!
Fall in behind me. Got your back.
Welcome to the...
What do they want?
Fucking put you in the grass!
Stop!
Element to talk. They're down.
Doc to entry team. Proceed with mission.
Lead to talk. Suspect down.
Element,
to talk.
this is Doc.
Civilian is alive, but
Continue with
unresponsive.
your mission.
Suspect cuffed and secure.
What's going on?
Where are you going, pussy?
Put your hands up. Down on your knees. Hands up. Hands up. Above your head. I'll get him ready. You're gonna be okay.
What the
Entry
fuck?
team
Who
to
has to do that?
talk.
Not me.
Civilian is secured.
Lead, this
what's going on out there? It's every man for himself.
Restrain him.
Got him.
Suspect is ready.
Got the time, boss.
Provide support.
Right with you.
Entry team to
Entry
talk.
team, this is
Officer
Todd.
down, repeat,
Score one
officer
for the good
down.
guys. Good work, everyone.